My name is Jeff Ranara. I've done a lot of things for a living, but the most recently relevant thing is I'm in the final semester of my 5-year architecture program at the Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm actually here at the Bootcamp as part of my thesis work. The pandemic gave me an opportunity to do an all-digital presentation, and I could be anywhere in the world. So I immediately switched my site from a Swedish site to a Philippine site to take advantage of this opportunity. This actual hands-on construction is of course my favorite because it's what I lack, actual hands-on experience with building with bamboo. I mean, there's a lot to read and I've read a lot, and there's a lot of theory, but actually getting your hands dirty building with bamboo. And it's actually, I mean, it's a living material, so you can see it twists and bends, and as you're building it, things can get out of place, so you have to adjust it back. So it's, and yesterday we did those leady bundles, bending several thin reeds or rods into a combined shape. So that was, the hands-on was the really most gratifying part. You know, bamboo isn't just about the building material. It's also about the cultural and social values that are attached to bamboo. And for me, it's been very special because it's given me a way to reconnect with my Filipino roots and to be re-immersed in a very kind of Filipino setting. I mean, this is a very special place where this bootcamp is being held. It's kids running around, which makes it a very special experience. So just earlier today, I was sitting having lunch and thinking, I had a perfect moment with nature all around, with the families. There was June was playing guitar, people were working on their computers, the cats and dogs were napping, you know, the wind was blowing and all the plants. It was really a perfect moment. So that speaks to this bamboo experience for me as being more than just the building itself. It's part of the whole social, cultural experience of it as well. Ne talaga, it was a profound moment, Karina, just sitting at the table and realizing that this confluence of different elements is something that you won't find in, it's hard to say where else you could find this kind of setting, you know? So this is really unique in that sense. Overall, it's very positive, the way it's organized. It's 2 words. And I'm sure you'll be happy to hear this because you said it at the first thing. Life-changing. Well, especially for me because of my context. You know, I've lived abroad for so many years and I'm kind of at a crossroads trying to decide what to do, where to stay. And an experience like this that just reconnects me to my being Filipino really helps push me in the direction of the Philippines. So in that sense, it really could be life-changing. And just the way that bamboo is as a material, as a social and cultural kind of phenomenon, it really is life-changing in many ways beyond just its building characteristics. Bamboo teaches you.